Hello guys and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to set a video as your lock screen wallpaper on iOS 18. This is a cool way to personalize your iPhone and make your lock screen come to life. Let's get started. First, you'll need to download the Video to Live app from the App Store. Once you've installed it, open the app and select Video to Live Photo option. Now choose the video you want to use from your library. After selecting it, you can pick a specific frame to use as the cover by scrolling through the video timeline. Once you've decided, tap the Make button. Once you've decided, tap the Make button to create a live photo. Wait until the video is prepared. After the live photo is generated, tap Set as Wallpaper in the gallery by clicking on the share icon and then click on Use as Wallpaper. Tap on this live icon to enable the live feature and then set it as your lock screen wallpaper. When you lock your screen, press and hold the wallpaper to see your video play as a live photo. And that's it. Your video is now your lock screen wallpaper. If this video helped, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.